Wilderness Systems cart. I have it all disassembled here, but I had another video on it and it worked pretty well for what I need it for. The question was whether or not it would fit in the Old Town's front storage compartment. It's not going to fit here in the back compartment. The rails are definitely not going to fit. It's just too shallow in that section, but it will fit in this front, although there's a very specific way that I found it has to go in there. At least I haven't been able to find another one. I'll take the measurements first. This is the Old Town PDL, so it's 13.5 inches on the inside, about 7 3/8 from side to side. As far as depth, 11 3/4 on the back end, and closer to 13 inches. So this is the way that I found works best for me. So this is one of the rails. It's not going to fit like this or like this. The only way is to get it with this rail down. It does go on the left side or the right side. So go in and then twist this rail up towards the top. It falls in. Now to get the second one in, you kind of have to push this one out of the way, or you can just put it on the other side. So now, same deal. Coming this way, I'm twisting it up right now. It just goes right in. This rail can go on either side. And these wheels sit right on top. That's it. So it's all in there. Take it all out. It's not going to take up a bunch of your fishing space.